So first things first, let's find the keys that we need. So this right here is your middle C. If you're looking down at your keyboard, the middle, which just happens to be where my Yamaha sign is, that's pretty much the middle. To the left of that is your middle C. So find that first. Then we're going to the left till we reach D. That's going to be our starting point. Okay, so find that lower D to the left of middle C. Perfect. Put your ring finger there. Put your thumb on the A. Okay, so your first step is D, A, D. So that A note is always a little bit longer. D, A, D. D, A, D. Perfect. Next step is C sharp, A, C sharp. So I'm going to put my pinky up there on that C sharp. Thumb is going to stay on the A. Same idea. C sharp, A, C sharp. Okay, all together. D, A, D, C sharp, A, C sharp, D. And you just keep going around and around, and then you'll get it down. Hope you enjoyed the little mini lesson. Be sure to subscribe and have a good one.
I want you to stay.